Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to show you some useful exercises of hamstring, how to strengthen your hamstring. Mahesh is with us. Hello Mahesh.
Hi, sir.
He is suffering from his weak hamstring muscles. So today we are going to perform some exercises about his hamstrings. So first exercise, you can do it your home. You can do it at your home. It is very simple. Use a band, put it like that, and just start. Lift your leg up, lift your leg up, lift your leg up, lift your leg up, and then relax. Hold, relax. Do it again, do it again, do it again. This seems very difficult for you? Good. Again, again, again. So there are two more exercises which is I am going to show you. See this video. Good. All things. Good. Feeling something here? Good. Slowly release. Again. चलो पीछे. और पीछे. और पीछे. Good. Slowly release. Again, पीछे. Slowly release. चलो खड़े हो. Touch. Great. Come on. Again, go. Come again. Again, go. 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 Touch and hold. Come again. Again, go.